My name is Karen Terrara. I am one of the student members of the Texas Tech American Meteorological Society chapter.
All right, what are you doing here today?
These are a couple of our displays. This one shows information about hail and the different sizes that it comes in. So we've got a kind of a trivia game to match different little styrofoam hailstones to what size they are. And we've also got information about how hail forms, how fast it falls, and just, you know, some basic information for people to learn about. And then over here we have our weather myths board. And what we've got is just a bunch of these little trivia questions. So this one, for example, is one of my favorites. The myth is that an overpass can be used as a shelter if you are caught on the road by a tornado, and that one is false. There's a famous video of a news crew that survived a weak tornado, but overpasses do not offer protection against tornadoes, and they're actually a very dangerous place to be. So this is one of the ones that I try especially hard to make sure people see. Another one on here is the myth that opening windows will equalize pressure and keep your home from being damaged. That is also false, because the flying debris will break windows much more quickly than the changes in pressure will. And one of the ones the kids really like is this one, that frogs have fallen from the sky in rainstorms. And this one turns out to be true, because occasionally a waterspout that's a tornado over water will suck up frogs, small fish out of ponds, and transport them before dropping them back down to earth. So it really can rain frogs, apparently. I've never seen that, though.
I haven't either. Now, back to your thing with the overpass, is something I've noticed storm chasing is when they do that, it blocks the road and makes it dangerous for everyone.
Yes, it does, which is why we're really trying to get the word out and trying to discourage that sort of thing.
It actually makes a parking lot out there.
Yes, which is not what you want on a highway.
Absolutely.
Especially not during severe weather.
I agree completely.